What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to draw a loose structure for I2, F2 and Br2. These are super easy. They belong to halogen group and all of them have 7 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we need to place it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again we do it here. 5, 6, 7. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you see here, the bonding capacity of all these 3 elements is 1 because we have just single electron in here. So the bonding capacity is 1. So whenever we have I2, it's going to be something like that. We place 2 electrons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you see here, they follow octet rule. And we place dash for bonding pair. And we place the lone pair around it. So that's going to be the loose structure of I2. Now for F2 is going to be pretty much the same thing. We place the bonding electrons and then lone pair around it. So when you draw the loose structure, we place the dash instead of the bonding pair. And Br2 as well, bonding pair first, and then we place the electrons around it in order to fulfill the octet rule. Because octet rule, as you see here, 2, 4, 6, 8 for Br. For this Br, 2, 4, 6, 8 again. And same thing for others. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.